Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a speech and language therapist here at the University of Southampton Auditory Implant Service. I'm going to show you how to link up and use wireless accessories with your processor. I'm going to show you how to connect your CP910 or Nucleus 6 with a mini mic wireless accessory. If you use a Baha, so a Baha 5 superpower processor, which looks like this, a Baha 5 power processor, which looks like this, or a Baha 5 processor, which looks like this, you won't need the information about how to connect the mini mic to the processor. That's done automatically for you on Bahas, but the way that you use the mini mic, the way you connect and use accessories with the mini mic is exactly the same. So you can watch this video to learn how to use your mini mic. The mini mic is a little device that you can give to somebody else. They clip this to their lapel, and when they speak into it, it means that their voice is transmitted directly from the mini mic to your processor. So, in order for that to work, you need to link the mini mic to the processor. And I'm going to show you first of all how to make that link, how to pair them up, and then how to activate them. On the back of the mini mic, you can see there's a very tiny little white button. That's the button that you're going to press to start the signal going out, which you're then going to use to pair with the processor. So to press that button, to activate that little button, you can use a pen tip or the point of a paper clip, or you can use the edge of the tool that comes in your Cochlear kit. Okay. I'm going to take the battery off the processor, so the processor is turned off. To turn the mini mic on, I'm going to press this button on the top and get a green light. Then pressing the little white button until I get an orange flashing light. I'm then going to put the battery back on the processor. And I get a little blue flashing light on the processor to tell me that it has paired to the mini mic. So the person you would like to hear better, they're going to wear this mini mic clipped to their collar, clipped to the top of their clothes. So for example, if you're in a car, you might ask your passenger to clip the mini mic to their clothes. If you're in a meeting, you might ask the person that you're talking to clip it to their clothes or pop the mini mic on the table in front of them. In order to pick up the signal from the mini mic, you'll need to activate it from your remote control. The button on the side, you press and hold, and you will see an MM for mini mic appears. To switch it off, you press and hold, and off. When you've finished using the mini mic, you turn off at the processor using the remote control, but don't forget also to switch the mini mic itself off. That's now ready to go back on charge, ready for the next time. If you don't have your remote handy, you can always activate the mini mic using the switches on the processor. So you remember the bottom button changes the programs, and the top button activates the loop, but also activates the connection with the mini mic. You'll press and hold the top button, you'll see a little blue light flash, and the two are now connected. When you finish listening with the mini mic, you'll press the top button again. And don't forget to turn the mini mic itself off. So the mini mic you can use not only as a little microphone to listen to somebody else talking, but you can also plug into the headphone socket in the bottom of the mini mic and use it to listen to equipment such as an iPad. We'll use the cable from the box, plug one end into the bottom of the mini mic, the other end into the headphone socket of the iPad. And now, for example, you can listen to an audiobook, and that information is going from the mini mic to the processor. So to hear the audiobook, you would use the top switch or the remote, and you'll be hearing the audiobook. When you've finished, turn the mini mic off, switch off, and switch off at your device. You can also use this same cable to plug into the headphone socket of an iPhone or a similar phone, but don't forget you will need to have the phone close to you so that although you'll be able to hear the incoming piece with this connection, the person on the other end will only be able to hear you if you hold the phone up and speak into the speaker. Hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, and it can be a bit tricky, do let us know. We're always happy to help at the University of Southampton Auditory Implant Service.